Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
A Roth IRA is a fantastic way to save for retirement because your money grows completely tax-free, and your withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free, as long as they're qualified. This can save you a lot in taxes down the road. Vanguard stands out as a great platform for this due to its reputation for offering low-cost investment options, which helps your money compound more efficiently over time. It's a smart start for your financial future. Before you open your Roth IRA, it's important to know the eligibility rules. You need to have earned income, and your income must fall below specific IRS limits, which are updated annually. For 2024, you can contribute up to $7,000, or $8,000 if you're 50 or older. Knowing these guidelines helps ensure you qualify and contribute the correct amount for the year. Opening your Roth IRA account with Vanguard is a simple online process. First, head to Vanguard's official website. You'll typically find a clear button or link labeled Open an Account. From there, you'll be guided to choose the type of account you want to open. Make sure to select Individual Retirement Account, and then specifically choose Roth IRA from the list. It's designed to be user-friendly, guiding you step by step. Once your account is open, it's time to fund it. You'll link your bank account directly to Vanguard, making transfers easy. You can choose to make a single contribution or, even better, set up automatic recurring contributions. This set-it-and-forget-it method is fantastic for building wealth consistently. While some Vanguard funds have minimums, many popular options like ETFs or target date funds are accessible with very little to start. Now that your Roth IRA is funded, it's time to choose your investments. Vanguard is famous for its low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. A popular choice for beginners is a target date retirement fund. These automatically rebalance over time, becoming more conservative as you near retirement. Or, if you prefer, you can select specific Vanguard ETFs or mutual funds to create your own diversified portfolio, tailored just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.